Hey, you watched our last video on why getting pre-approved should be your first step. Now, make sure to subscribe because today I'm going to show you the 3 things you'll need to get a home loan. Number 1 is your down payment. Your down payment is your money involved in the sale. And you hear people talk about 10%, 20% down payment. But did you know this? Number 2 on our list is income. When applying for your home loan, your loan officer will need these 3 items. Number 3 is credit. With credit, everybody feels they have to have a perfect score, and that's not necessarily true. Take a look. So now you know the 3 things you need to get a home loan. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and opportunities, and I look forward to seeing you back in the neighborhood.